This is a Python dashboard for using Neo4j database. I have opened the Neo4j database and make the project run. Make the demo database. Now here PyCharm, I run the app, and here the app is run at localhost 5000. Here I input a query and then I click submit, and then there is the data. If we click here, I can see all the data like this. I can also I can only print one of the column, my choice here like this. And I can also search. This table has been possible due to Bootstrap, in which JavaScript and CSS is used. And at present moment, I have only made a dashboard for inputting the query, like for example, for only extracting the data from the database. But to input the data, we have to use the Neo4j into made browser only. But I am in the process of making both of these dashboards through Python only.